Syiem ke KCDC ba Pyniaid Syiem, ryngkat Chairman Bah Lamphrang Blah. Sngi Baar ke Ïalam Chairman ke 16 Finance Commission, Arvind Panagariya, ryngkat ke kynhun ban Leit Peit ke Khlaw Kyntang Mawphlang. Kini ke sngi ryngkat ke jingdonlang sorkar ke Jylla, ke liang ke council kumjuh ke Hima ke Ïalam ru ban pyni Chairman ke Commission, katei ke Khlaw Kyntang, kaba ke Hima naduh hyndai kala pynneh pynsah bat sumar ka. Laban kdew hangne biki Autonomous District Council ke Jylla, ke sngi ningkong ke kendo 16 Finance Commission bat terwaru ke jingkershan pisah ke ba prahajar kelur tingka, ke benta ke samoi terekam ke basan snap.
Hima is the type of Hima that is called like Makriza, and the other type is Tabus. And besides that, also we have this house more than.
Voices are here, sir. Will not take much time inside, just 15-20 minutes. We'll just.
It's a big area. See, before we enter here, sir, let me tell you, we have to bow to the Almighty, and we also request the deities to bless us, because this is the legacy and also a tradition of the Khadc people, that when we sanctify the sacred grove, it means that it should protect its own people and the people of the state, including you, sir. So we ask the permission from Khlaw Kyntang Mawphlang should be able to bless sir and his contingent, the 16th Finance Commission of the Government of India, including the Syiem of the District Council, the of Mawphlang, and all of us.
So since you've come.
But did this ministry people, did they give cash or not?
No.
Just the certification.
No, Benny. And we also have that.
I can buy.
They are hanging. You see, let you meditate a bit. Let's meditate. Let meditate. All of you meditate, please.